Hello guys, welcome to DATAHACKS. I'm going to explain about built-in event modules. Node.Js has the built-in module called events where you can create, fire, listen for your own events. All events property methods are an instance of an event emitter object. To be able to access the properties and methods, create an event emitter object. So let's start the practical demonstration. Let me clear the file here. Create a events variable and here require and import node colon events. Next, already we have seen to create an event, we have to create the event emitters instance. So constant event emitter new events dot event emitter. So after this, to create an event and listen to the event, we have two important steps. One is event emitter, next one is event listener. First, I'm going to create the event listener. So with this variable event emitter or event emitters. So with this variable, I'm going to create event listener using on. So the event name is listen. And here we have to provide one function. So after this, console.log. Here event listening is working. And next, after creating the event listener, we have to create an event emitter. So again, event emitter dot emit. So here we have to provide the custom function name to trigger the event. So here listen. So once this event emitter trigger this event listener will look for the event and trigger the function. So let's open the terminal. Node index.js. You can see event listening is working. So in case I'm going to provide extra values here partially. These values will act as the arguments or parameters. So it will pass to the function. So method. Here I'm going to remove this double quotes and provide backticks. And here dollar symbol provide the variable. So now if we trigger the file, this event will be triggered. This value will be passed to this variable and will be provided here. So the console will be event listening is working partially. For this, run again. You can see working partially. It has been extended. So this is how the event emitter and listener will work. In case we are giving more than one event listener, so here I'm providing, so by default I'm going to provide value works, and again here I'm going to provide test. So if I am going to run the test again, in first one we don't have the value, extra value, and we didn't pass any value in event emitter only, so partially work. For this second method also, here we have passed only one value, but for the second variable the default value has been provided here. So this is how we will work with the built-in event modules. Here we are going to see the quiz. So please explain what is event modules, how it is working. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this, hit the like button, subscribe the YouTube channel. You will get updates on time.